Welcome to the Reiger Begonia Show at the Floral Showhouse. This year the show features Reiger Begonias in reds and yellows and oranges alongside edible crops such as Swiss chard and beets. I'm Jessica Bond. I'm the Manager of Design at the Floral Showhouse. The highlight is the Reiger Begonia crop, which is grown in-house. In the center house you're getting more of a relaxed kind of modern monochromatic feel, and then when you come into the north house you get a little bit more of a festive fall feel with the contrast of the orange pumpkins to the dark foliage. Coming in here looking at the oranges and the yellows and again the whites and the pumpkins, it gives you a bit of a kickoff to fall. Reiger Begonias are a crop that people could grow indoors in their house. The vegetables like Swiss chard, kale, those are things people could be growing in their gardens. We invite people to come out and enjoy the Reiger Begonia Show. The show runs until October 21st.